farmers are really working very hard, but most of the time they don't get the benefit of their sweat. So to me, this exercise that's happening today across the county is going to be very important for our farmers to know the healthiness of their soils. And we hope by not only knowing, we expect that after knowing their soil healthiness, it will also be an opportunity for the farmers to go ahead and treat the soil. And this being done with our partners, the Usaid, who have also partnered with our private practitioners also doing the same. And we are also very thankful that the CSDMS and the team that have really come out strongly, the Usaid team, to really look at the issue of soil, and we're looking at the food security of the county and the nutrition. We are being supported by the World Bank to do registration of all farmers in the county so that we also have data. And out of this data, it will be easy to know how many farmers we have reached and what kind of value chains are they engaged in. Because as it is now, of course, there are a number of probabilities. We really need to get the exact number of farmers, whereby we are going to know our farmers within their wards, within their community areas, and within their households. So that when we are really doing interventions and when we are saying farmers, we really know which type of farmer. Is he on dairy? Is he on crops? Is he in fisheries? And we're going to do all that together, because now with this support, this kind of data is going to be shared across, whereby we are going to hire close to 1,000 enumerators that are going to work across the county. That number is big. It's going to strengthen our extension.
So far, we were able to reach over 5,000 farmers in terms of trainings and gap measures. We've been able to get over 1,000 soil testing measures on most farmers. And then today, as we do the new launch, we are happy that we will do it even in a bigger way, so that most farmers are able to be soil tested in various places. We said even in the plenary that most of the tests, the preliminary tests have shown the soil's pH is between 4.5 to 5.8, an indicator that most of our soils are acidic. We've been able to supply even lime to most of the farmers who have an acidic soils, and in that way they have already shown an interest to know that their soils are bad and the yields are already seen. So we expect now with this intervention there will be even a greater usage of lime, and then apart from that usage, the farmers have been trained, so they know what they need to do in their farms to be able to do it, to change their way of production.
In Kakamega County, when you look at just one of the most important parameters, which is acidity, alkalinity, we are at between 4.3 and slightly below 7, which is considered quite acidic. And so that acidity then inhibits the crop from getting the nutrients it requires, and so part of the contribution to crop failure and poor performance. We are partnering with the county to promote soil health practices, sensitize farmers on the need to test their soils to understand what are the ingredients there, what is missing, so they know how to treat their soils ahead of the planting season. We are hoping that this is going to yield a bumper harvest in the next season, so farmers have more food, farmers can sell more and make money, but most importantly, our farmers also are feeding their families well. The nutrition parameters are going up. We have targeted and actually have reached over 300,000 farmers with technology and information that has helped to improve their productivity, both in dairy and horticultural crops.
Tungeomba at least kila mahali, kama hapa Mlwanda mweke watu ambao wanaweza kutusaidia. Hawa mama wetu hawawezi. Na pia kama tunaweza shirikiana na county government of Kakamega, hapo tunasema inaweza kutusaidia, maana tunategemea ukulima na tunategemea ndio chakula yetu. Na hapo ndo penye sisi tunaelimisha hata watu wetu ya kwamba wainvest kwa kulima. Manake bila hivyo hatuwezi pata chakula. So ombi letu ni kila mahali. Tunaomba mtuwekee hiyo tarehe 15 ni karibu sana. Tunaomba kwa hisani yetu kama watu wa Kakamega muongeze na muweke vituo kila mahali.